In this lesson, we're going to learn about combination reaction and decomposition reactions. They are two of the types of chemical reactions, and the others we'll talk about them in different videos. Let's start by combination reactions. Combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single product. It's also called synthesis reaction. So synthesis reaction and combination are the same. We covered that in chemical reactions there are reactants and products. The reactants in combination reaction can be elements, compounds, or both elements and compounds. The general equation for a combination reaction is like this. In the reactants, A and X both represent elements and compounds. And the AX in the product shows the single product or the end product of the combination reaction. So it's that simple. Now let's try to solve some examples. Let's say we have sodium and oxygen. And we want to combine them to form a single product, sodium peroxide. Oxygen is a diatomic element. It's composed of two atoms. So we'll write a subscript of 2 for the oxygen. The chemical formula for sodium peroxide is 2 sodium atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Now, what remains is just balancing the equation. And you can do that by adding a coefficient of number 2 for the sodium element. Now, let's have another example, which involves compounds and the reactants. The formation of magnesium carbonate by reacting magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide is another form of combination reaction, which involves compounds and the reactants. And if you take a look at this reaction, it's already balanced. What remains is the decomposition reaction, which is exactly the reverse of the reactions that we discussed. If you just take the reaction to the left side and break down the magnesium carbonate into its components, the magnesium oxide and the carbon dioxide, that's called the decomposition reaction.